Hello everyone, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and we're back with another video. Just want to say welcome to all our new subscribers, and to those of you who have just stopped in, we welcome you to join us as well. Come and join this amazing art party with us. We like to get started right away, and so what we have today is a 10 by 20 inch canvas, and we're going to do a Christmas Dutch pour on it. We have our Artist Loft Floetrol White, which is the original one, mixed with Floetrol and water. In fact, all of our layering colors will be mixed with Floetrol and water as well. So we're going to do a Christmas-like Dutch pour, meaning red, greens, and golds, and the white background for our base. We are going to go ahead and lay out the base color and try to get a nice smooth foundation to begin with. So I can tilt this a little bit. Excuse me. And we'll move it this way too. And over the side here. And we need a little more over here. So use all this up as much as we can. Okay, let's see what we can do to add just a little more of the base color here along the edges. Just to ensure we have enough paint throughout. Okay. That looks pretty good. All right. We will pop air bubbles. We will look for any uninvited guests. We want to make sure we have a flawless foundation to begin with. And we'll move our paint friends aside. And we will work at getting these layering colors down. We want to put down the reds first. And I'm just going to do, how do I want to do this? Let's see. How about we take here, 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 and there. We'll put some extensions here, and let's just take one here as well. All right, that is the Liquitex Basics Cadmium Deep Red Hue. This is Liquitex Basics Napthol Crimson. All of these are nice, deep, rich red colors. This one is the Liquitex Basics Pyrrole Red. Tap that up. I'll get the nice deep red in there. This is Liquitex Basics Cadmium Deep Yellow Hue. It's a real pretty rich yellow. Sort of a deep yellow, dark gold. This is Hooker Green by Liquitex Basics. Love this color, and I'm going to be using this only on the outside area. as I noticed this in a painting that was done by Chris I'm going blank. Jasek. She did a beautiful Christmas pour, and one of the things she did is she tried to keep the greens on the outside to keep from getting it muddy, and that seemed to work really well. So I thought I'd try it. Thank you, Chris, for sharing. Okay. All right. And a little more on this side, maybe. We'll see if we get too much. And then we have just a drizzle of our base color we're going to put in here. Try to break up some of the red. Then we'll end with this beautiful gold by Artist Loft, old gold. All right, push our little friends aside, torch. And let's see what we can do to create a design where we have inside and outside negative space. All right, let's see what happens, guys. Okay, that's really pretty. You've got some inside, and some outside negative space here. See a couple air bubbles. Just want to get those popped. Really liking the flow and the movement of this. It kind of fans out, giving us that luscious green on the bottom, underneath it, and kind of in between here. No muddiness. That rich yellow hue has come through beautifully. Okay, I think we can be satisfied with this one. Let's go ahead and wipe underneath. We're capturing this excess paint that's run off, trying to keep from allowing this to move any more than necessary. It will move, but it's really dependent a lot on how much we keep it stabilized in terms of getting that excess paint runoff taken care of right away. Okay, we're going to see what this looks like to you, so we'll bring you in for a close-up. And here we are, we got our close-up. Look at, we have a few cells here. Not many at all. Rich, beautiful green color coming through, which is what we wanted. You can see the shimmer from the Artist Loft Old Gold right on top. So pretty, look at that. That old gold really gave this a nice shimmery topping. The white we added really helped to break up some of the red and also to help really bring it together at the same time with these other colors. Looks that beautiful, beautiful sparkle on top. And moving right on over to this side, you can see how nice that hooker green stayed intact, outlining the outside like a leaf. Really playing a beautiful part in making this Christmas design, these Christmas colors into a beautiful design. That Artist Loft Old Gold really creates a nice metallic shimmer. So pretty. And it is layered throughout. I'm loving the way the cadmium yellow deep hue also really accentuates this piece. Love, love, love it. All right, guys, this is it. The 10 by 20 inch canvas, our Christmas pour. It came out amazing, and I'm very pleased with it. Let me know what you think in the comments. As always, we appreciate you being with us. We also would love for you to go ahead and like and subscribe. We really want you to be a part of this amazing art journey. Hit that notification bell so you can be informed each and every time we have another video upload. So until next time, keep loving your art, and we will see you guys on the next video upload. Bye now.